Very good morning, students. In previous topic, we have already covered components of networking. Now I am starting with the communication channel. What are communication channel? There are two types of communication channel. One is a guided media and another is a unguided media, which is a connected with the wire. आपने देखा होगा वायर से जो कनेक्टेड होती है उसको बोलते हैं गाइडेड मीडिया. जो विदाउट वायर हम यूज कर रहे हैं इंटरनेट नेटवर्किंग, उसको बोलते हैं अनगाइडेड मीडिया. आपने देखा होगा सैटेलाइट आप अपने मोबाइल फोन को यूज कर रहे हो इंटरनेट के थ्रू, एंड वो क्या है, दैट इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ अनगाइडेड मीडिया. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द communication channel. So components of communication channels which are used. What is communication channel? A communication channels or simply channels रेफर टू अ फिजिकल ट्रांसमिशन. जो फिजिकल ट्रांसमिशन हम डेटा को ट्रांसफर करते हैं, कोई भी डेटा ट्रांसमिट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग कनेक्टिंग विद द वायर. आप वीडियो सेंड करते हैं, एनी मेल करते हैं, एनी टेक्स्ट, एनी ऑडियो which you are transferring from source to destination. Source means जहां से आप भेज रहे हैं, that is called source. और जो रिसीवर होता है जहां पर आप सेंड कर रहे हैं, that is receiver. by using connection. So physically transmission medium such as a wire, जो वायर के साथ कनेक्ट होता है, that is called wire media. और to logical connection over the multiplex medium such as the रेडियो चैनल. रेडियो चैनल में आपने देखा होगा ट्रांसमिट होता है. एंड इन द टेलीकम्युनिकेशन एंड द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग यू हैव सीन बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर विदाउट वायर आप यूज कर रहे हो, वाईफाई के थ्रू यूज कर रहे हो लैपटॉप को. सो दैट इज अनगाइडेड मीडिया. So there are two types of communication channel we can use. That is, one is a wire or guided communication channel. जो वायर के साथ कनेक्ट होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं वायर और गाइडेड मीडिया और वायर और गाइडेड कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. सो डोंट कंफ्यूज वायर और अनगाइडेड क्या है. वायर मीन जो वायर के साथ कनेक्ट फिजिकली एक वायर. आपने देखा होगा आपने आप, आपके घर में केबल नेटवर्क आता है, वायर से कनेक्ट होता है. सिमिलरली आप जो भी आप यूज करते हैं, इंटरनेट यूज करते हैं विद द वायर कनेक्शन, नेटवर्किंग करते हैं विद द वायर कनेक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड वायर वायर एंड गाइडेड कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. और जो विदाउट वायर, वायरलेस, आप मोबाइल फोन यूज करते हैं, सेल फोन, एंड यू आर सेंडिंग डेटा फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर कंट्री. एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में आप ट्रांसफर करते हैं, आप कॉलिंग करते हैं without any wire. What is that? That is a wireless or unguided communication channel. उसको बोलते हैं wireless. Satellite, microwave, radio wave, these are an example of wireless. And wireless also there you can use in a room, that is without wire, infrared, Bluetooth. There are so many things which are you are using without wire, that is also called wireless media. So wire गाइडेड मीडिया कौन से हैं? विच होस्ट सर्वर, जो आपका कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप, जो भी आपका कनेक्ट होता है विद द अनदर थ्रू गाइडेड मीडिया, वायर से कनेक्ट होता है, लाइक अ नेटवर्क केबल, लाइक अ, इट्स कॉल्ड वायर मीडिया. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वायर मीडिया कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स. एंड दीज आर एग्जांपल ऑफ, आपने यू हैव सीन द ट्विस्टेड फेयर केबल. कोई केबल ट्विस्ट किया होता है, ट्विस्टेड केबल you have seen, just like a in a telephone wire twisted pair होता है. उसमें there are two types of twisted pair. One is a shield and unshielded. Shield means जिसको cover किया होता है, that is called shield. And जो without cover होता है, you have seen that type of twisted pair cable, so that is called unshielded. So there are two types of twisted pair, shield and unshielded. And another is a coaxial cable. and fiber optical cable. This is a very expensive and very fast speed of communication channel. ये बहुत वायर में बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव और वेरी फास्ट कम्युनिकेशन चैनल है जो वायर मीडिया में. Another is a wireless unguided communication channel. What is it? When host and server are connected with the one another through the unguided media. मतलब without wire you are using internet, you are sending data from one country to another country. You are using social media. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? अपने मोबाइल से वीडियो सेंड कर रहे हैं. Your friend living in another country, another state, different area. Without wire, any data you are sending or receiving. So sender or receiver, source to destination. Without wire connection, that is called unguided media. This is an example of unguided media. What are these? Radio wave. जितने भी रेडियो टेलीकास्ट होता है, that is a radio wave, and these are used in a city, just like a Delhi में जितने रेडियो टेलीकास्ट होता है, और ऑल्सो डेटा ट्रांसफर किसी कंपनीज में भी रेडियो वेव्स का यूज करते हैं. सो सैटेलाइट, माइक्रोवेव. सो दीज आर एग्जांपल ऑफ अनगाइडेड मीडिया. सो रेडियो वेव, माइक्रोवेव आर मोस्टली यूज इन हिली एरियाज. आपने देखा होगा हिली एरियाज में some fan type radars will be moving over there. Radars move करते हैं. These radars are used for a microwave communication channel. Signals के लिए use होता है. So satellite all over the world you can see the example of satellite. With आप मोबाइल में आप कॉलिंग करते हैं, डेटा यूज करते हैं. Without any wire connection you are using, that is the help of satellite. And I am showing you, sharing a screen, that example demo of how it works, guided media or unguided media. And here is the example of guided media. So unguided media transport the electromagnetic waves without using the physical conductor. बिना फिजिकल कंडक्टर के अनगाइडेड मीडिया आप डेटा को ट्रांसफर. दिस टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ऑफर द रेफर टू वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन. Signals are normally broadcast through the free space and thus the available anywhere who has device capable for receiving them. And unguided signals are travel from the source to destination. Source means where you are sending, destination which is a receiver. So ground propagation, and there are so many media can be used for this. How it is for? See, these are a signal source to destination. These towers you have seen, the some towers are used for different communication channels like Airtel, Vodafone. All these have also, they have uh, installed their towers for the transmit the data. How it transmits the data? This is a earth example of in ground propagation. Radio waves travel through the lowest portion of the area. This is a sky. This is a sky propagation. You can see here, and this is an example. This is a tower here and earth, and these home signals, how it comes. See, sky waves and receiver and transmitter from earth. And this is an example of sky propagation, how it works. Also there is a line state propagation, एंड इन लाइन ऑफ स्टेट प्रोपोगेशन वेरी हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, इसमें क्या है बहुत फास्ट स्पीड से सिग्नल आता है, आर ट्रांसमिटेड स्ट्रेट लाइंस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द एंटीना टू एंटीना। आपने देखा होगा अपने घर के आसपास एरिया में ऐसे एंटीना लगे होते हैं, तो दीज आर वेरी फास्ट टू ट्रांसमिट द डेटा, and this is a frequency, and see, you can see here very low frequency, this is a range over ground and long range radio navigation, and LF low frequency, this is the range of 30 to 300 kilohertz, and ground area, and these are an example of radio become and navigational, and also MF middle frequency, this is an example of 300 to this megahertz, and sky, this is used for sky, this is the example of radio, and HF high frequency, this is 3 to 30 megahertz, this is also used in a sky propagation, and this is an example of citizen band CV, and VHF, this is a very high frequency that the range in a megahertz 30 to 300, these are sky lines, sky and lines of state, जहां पर previous slide में मैंने show किया था straight line, you have seen the signal in a straight one by another, this is a BSFTF, FM radio and another data can be transmitted, UHF ultra high frequency, this is the range of the 300 megahertz to 3 gigahertz, this is example of line to state. So another is a SF super high frequency range of gigahertz, see the kilohertz, megahertz and gigahertz, these are a satellite, these are an example of satellite communication. Another is a extremely high frequency which is a range of the 30 to 3 gigahertz line state, these are a state with the satellite. So wireless communication waves, how it works, wireless transmission, and which are microwave, radio wave, microwave and infrared, these are a wireless transmission media. So this is an example of, see how radio waves works. This is an example of radio wave. You have seen the this type of antennas over your area. So these signals are, these are a waves, like these signals are transmitted like a waves. And radio waves for the most part of the omnidirectional, these are omnidirectional, and when an antenna transmit radio wave, they are propagated all direction, this means that the sending and receivers will work, and a sending antenna send the waves that can be received by any receiving antenna, the omnidirectional way. So transmission of media, these are unguided radio waves are the most part of the omnidirection. When the antenna transmit radio waves, they are propagated in all the direction. All direction it will be transmitted. A sending antenna send the waves who can be received by the any receiving antenna. किसी भी antenna में वो receive हो जाता है, and the omnidirectional property has been this the disadvantages of radio wave. और radio waves transmitted by one antenna are सक्सेसिबल, आसानी से प्रभावित हो जाता है, ठीक है, and interference by another antenna, दूसरे एंटीना को भी वो सिग्नल में, दिस इज unsuccessful way of from one antenna to another antenna that may be send the signal using a same frequency or the band. So another this is a electromagnetic waves and frequency has been the these of microwave. You have seen such type of radars installed in a hilly areas. So microwave is a unidirectional, any unidirectional operating, moving, allowing movement and the one direction only. And when an antenna transmit microwaves, waves they can be narrowly focused. See, you have seen any one direction, which are signals are coming one direction to another direction. And this means that the sending and receiving antennas need to be elegant, and the unidirectional property has been observed, and this is the advantages of microwave. And microwave, what are the characteristics of microwave? Microwave propagation is the line of sight. Directly forecast will be there, since the tower with the any mountain, any area, that will be directly straight transmission will be there. And the curvature of the earth will other blocking and osters do not allow to short the tower communication by using microwave. And in this, repeaters can be used. Repeaters are device which repeaters are signal. So repeaters can be required to implement the signal. To regenerate the signal, repeaters can be used to repeat. And very high frequency microwave cannot weight and walls. Characteristic can be disadvantage. This is the disadvantage of microwave. Very high frequency microwave cannot be present. तो इन दिस इसमें क्या बहुत हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी को नहीं लेता. And see, you can see here microwave, due to their unidirectional property, are very useful when the unicast. One-to-one communication needed between the sender and receiver. See, this is a sender and receiver signal, and receiving from here one-to-one, omnidirectional, unidirectional, you can say one-to-one direction. So they are used to cellular phone, satellite network, and the wireless line. See, you can see the direction. These are the satellite from sending and receiving from your nearby towers. आपके आसपास के एरिया में ऐसे टावर लगे होते हैं, उसमें से आपको सिग्नल रिसीव भी होता है. यू कैन सेंड और रिसीव. There are some advantages or disadvantages of microwave. Or installation of tower is associated equipment cheaper than laying down the cable of 100 kilometer. Cable is a very cheaper, सस्ती होती है इसकी. Less maintenance as compared to cable. इसमें मेंटेनेंस की ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. Repeaters can be used of the effective of noise reduce and no adverse effects such as a cable breaking, etc. And size of transmitters and receiver reduced due to the high frequency. इसमें साइज ऑफ ट्रांसमीटर एंड रिसीवर रिड्यूस करता है, साइज को कम लगता है ड्यू टू द हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी। इसमें माइक्रोवेव में हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, ड्यू टू दैट इट रिड्यूस द टाइम and there are some disadvantages also. And signal state at the receive antenna reduce the multipath receptor and transmission will be affected by the any tower. So this is the disadvantages of that. Another is a infrared. So infrared, there is a advantages and disadvantages. So circuit of infrared waves is a simple and it is relatively cheap from the communication. It is a very cheaper device and it use low power. Also power is a very low consumption and it has a higher security and it is a portable from the communication. Very portable, cheaper and the and power also, power consumption is also very low. This is the advantages of infrared. And disadvantages also there in an infrared. It works only on one line of sight, one line LOS, and it travel from the short range distance. छोटे डिस्टेंस में इसका काम आता है. It is easily blocked by the common material like a people, walls, etc. कोई भी इसको easily block कर सकता है. Speed of infrared waves is a comparatively slower. इसका speed बहुत slow होता है. It has a low bandwidth. So these are disadvantages of the infrared. So types of networking we have already, and just I am making a revision again. Types of networking you have already done. Computer network means a group of network. Computer network है, it is a group of network computers. बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर ग्रुप में आप यूज करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. और नेटवर्क कैन मीन अ स्मॉल ऑफ लिंक कंप्यूटर्स टू द चेन. बहुत बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर जो चेन एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होते हैं, that is called computer network. A few hundred computers of the different type, PCs and mainframe etc. spread around the world. जो दुनिया में बहुत सारे आपस में connected हैं. You can use internet. You can send and receive the data from source to destination with the help of computer network. So there are 4 type of computer network. These can be based on the network span or the geographical spread. Network can be divided into a, mostly it is given a LAN or WAN. MAN is also there. MAN is a one city. LAN local area network. आपने देखा होगा अपने you have seen in your school, any organization, any college, any industry, बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर आपस में कंबाइन किया होता है. They can share their data from one computer to another computer. That is a help of local network. And WAN is a wide area network, means worldwide, from one country to another country, one state to another state. You can send and receive the data with the help of WAN. Another is a MAN, is an example of metropolitan area network. You have seen the in your city, any other cities which are install the any network, just like a cable network, internet connection, which are spread over the city. That is the example of MAN. And PAN is a personal area network which is used in a one room. See, student can share their, you can share your data from without wire connection from one student to another student with the help of infrared, Bluetooth, share it. There are so many example of this. That is a example of PAN. So local area I have already explained over there. So LAN, which is an example of one building, one institute, one colleges, one industry, hospital, like these are computers are connected with each other. That is the example of LAN. MAN is a metropolitan area network. Another is a WAN, which is a wide area network. So a network spread across the country or on the very big geographical area are known as a WAN. It is a group of computers that are separated by a large distance. आपने देखा होगा बहुत distance में हम एक कंप्यूटर से यहाँ से you are sitting at home, you send the any data, any video, any audio, any text from your friend in another country, another state. That is the example of WAN. So it can be group of LAN that are separated across the several locations and connected together to the look like a big man. So computers are connected to the wide area networks are often connected through the public networks such as a telephone system. आपने देखा होगा टेलीफोन वायर को एक डिवाइस मॉडम क्या करता है हमारा मॉड्यूलेशन एंड डीमॉड्यूलेशन करता है आपका डेटा जो होगा दैट कैन बी वीडियो ऑडियो एनी इमेज उसको क्या करता है एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट करता है देन इट एबल टू सेंड टू सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन डायरेक्टली आपका डेटा कैसे जाएगा विदाउट वायर कनेक्शन सो आपका टेलीफोन वायर के थ्रू आप क्या कर सकते हैं मॉडम को कनेक्ट करके देन यू कैन सेंड एंड रिसीव योर डेटा व्हाट डज इट मॉड्यूलेट एंड डीमॉड्यूलेट मॉडम क्या करता है मॉड्यूलेशन एंड डीमॉड्यूलेशन देन आपका जो डेटा होगा वीडियो ऑडियो इमेज उसको डिजिटल टू एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट करता है then it send the receiver. So these are an example of LAN or MAN. LAN means one building, one industry, one hospital, you can say any area which you are installing, which you are sharing with the few distance. That is an example of LAN. Worldwide, this is an example of MAN. WAN also. So it is a very important question. It can come in a board exam also. LAN, local area network. It is a spread over the small area and it is a spread over the very large area. So it is a usually cost less to set up it. बहुत small cost में आप इसको set up कर सकते हैं और WAN को set up करने it costs higher to set up it. एंड इट इज यूजली अ सिंगल नेटवर्क ये क्या है एक ही सिंगल नेटवर्क है इसमें बहुत सारे नेटवर्क है इट यूजली नेटवर्क ऑफ मेनी नेटवर्क एक ही नेटवर्क नहीं है बहुत सारे नेटवर्क कंबाइन है डिफरेंट network are connected in a one. So types of network by components, what are these? Another parameter based on the which you can classify network in the role played by the network computers, the network operations of the basis. There are two types of network जिसमें आपको कंपेयर करा सकते हैं one is a P2P network, P2P network and the client server network. These are types of network components. P2P, you can say P2P. So this is a P2P. P2P means, see, this is an example of hub switch. It can be here one computer on you can sharing with the laptop. You are sharing with the another system, another system. So this is called P2P network. Means you can this is the example of office, example of home, which you are using your system, your mobile phone, your tab, your iPad, anything which you are connecting. This is the example of P2P network. So P2P network literally implements the meaning word P, and each computers on the P2P networks is a equal. That is, each computers can play the role of the client or a server. One is a client, another is a server. The computer that serve on the P2P computer are often termed as a non-dedicated server. जो इसमें यूज होता है that is non-dedicated server होता है. And P2P networks are popular as a home network. जो आपके houses में लगे होते हैं, आपने मॉडम यूज किया होता है, वाईफाई यूज होता है, उसमें आप शेयरिंग करते हैं डिफरेंट सिस्टम को, लैपटॉप को, डेस्कटॉप को, एंड योर आईपैड, लैपटॉप एंड मोबाइल्स. दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ P2P एग्जांपल. एंड easy to install, but they are limited scope of the different to secure. And on small network workstation that can be developed as a server is known as a non-dedicated server. जो छोटे से वर्क स्टेशन लाइक अ होम यू आर इंस्टॉलिंग, इजी इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, और दिस इज अ नॉन डेडिकेटेड सर्वर है. नॉन डेडिकेटेड सर्वर कैन settle between the client as a wall as a server rule. जो client होता है जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं, small network that are used such as a server that known as a P2P network. See what is client and server. Client which you are using in a desktop, you are using in a mobile, you are using in a desktop, and this is a server which is a your host, जहां से आपको उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, इंटरनेट को मॉडम लगा हुआ है, वहां से आप रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं डेटा को इन डिफरेंट डिवाइसेस. सो क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर which is a source you are using your internet, and client which are using different devices are connected to the server, that is called client. So I hope you have you will understand this topic, and other topic we'll cover in our next class. Thank you.